Hello, dear students. So now we would discuss chapter 2 in class 10 science, that is acids, bases and salts. Okay. The previous chapter was chemical reaction and equations. So now this is chapter number 2, acids, bases and salts in chemistry. Okay. So now here we would study first what are the acids, what are bases and what are salts. Okay. So let's discuss in detail about the acids. So here in acids, we would know about the origin of acids, okay, from where the word acid has been derived, that we would discuss. And then later we would discuss what are the acids, okay. Then we would discuss what are the acidic substances. Then we would discuss the Arrhenius concept of acid, okay. What is Arrhenius theory and what is the Arrhenius concept of about the acids, that we would discuss, okay. Now if you see the acids, the word acids is derived from the Latin word acidus. It is derived from the Latin word acidus. And what is the meaning of the word acidus? And its meaning is sour, sour to taste. Whenever you are tasting something, if it tastes sour, you would call the you would call that it contains some amount of acid, okay. And such substance would be called as the acidic substance, okay. So what are the acidic substances? The substances that contain acids, like lemon. If you taste lemon, it tastes sour. If you taste oranges, again it tastes sour. Tomatoes, again it contains some amount of acids there also. Like curd, if you taste curd, it again tastes sour, so it also contains some amount of acids there, okay. So we would find out the different types of acids in the different substances. So all these substances which taste sour and which contain some amount of acids would be called as the acidic substances, like orange, like lemon. These are also called the citrus fruits. We just call them as the citrus fruits. Why do we call them citrus fruits? Like oranges, lemon, or like unripened these grapes. All these are called the citrus fruits. Why do we call them citrus fruit? Because these fruits contain citric acids. Which one is it? Citric acid is there. So that is why we call them as citrus fruits. So due to this, the taste of such fruit is sour due to the presence of acid, okay. Now we will discuss about the Arrhenius concept of acid later. First, you would write about the acid, okay. Let me write it here. So this is about the acid. The acid is the word acid. The term acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, meaning sour to taste. Example, taste of lemon, unripened mangoes. If you taste all these items, you would taste sour there, okay. Next, acids are corrosive in nature. That you also have to understand here. Acids are corrosive in nature. What is corrosion? That we have already discussed in the previous chat. Like corrosion of the iron metal is also called as the rusting, okay. Corrosion of the different metals we have discussed already. So acids are also corrosive in nature, okay. Next thing, substances that contain acids are called acidic substances, okay. Substances that contain acids are called acidic substance. For example, like lemon, curd, orange, tomatoes. So all these are the acidic substance because all these fruit items contain some amount of acids in them, okay. Just note it down. Then after we would discuss the Arrhenius concept. So now we would discuss the Arrhenius concept of acid, okay. So Arrhenius put forward a theory that is also called as Arrhenius theory in 1884. So according to Arrhenius, an acid is a substance which dissolves in water. It ionizes and releases hydrogen ion in the solution, okay. So whenever you are dissolving acid in water, so it releases hydrogen ion there in the solution. Ions, you must be knowing, something you are dissolving, it is just dividing, it is being ionized and dividing into positive and the negative ions. Some are positive one cation, negative one are known as the anions. So cations and anions, okay. So hydrogen is a positive ion, okay. So whenever you are dissolving an acid in water, so it releases hydrogen ion in the solution. hydrogen ion in the solution. So the substance which release hydrogen ion in the solution, remember, the substance which release hydrogen ion or the substance which give hydrogen ion in the solution would be called as the acidic substance. You must be getting this. Okay, means suppose you have to check an acid, so you dissolve it in water, and if it is giving hydrogen ion in the solution, you would call the given substance as acid. Simple. You have a substance, you want to check whether this is acid or not, you dissolve in water. If it is giving hydrogen ion in the solution, you would call this substance as acid. Okay, but remember one thing, hydrogen ion do not exist as S positive ion. This is S positive ion. So whenever this water molecule is being ionized, it would give S positive and OH negative ion. Sorry, OH negative ion. Okay, so now this S positive ion means the hydrogen ion do not exist as S positive. Rather, it would again attach to the water molecule. Okay, this hydrogen ion would again attach to the water molecule and would become H3O positive ion. So this is the positive ion which we are getting in the solution, H3O positive ion. We call it as the hydronium ion or hydroxonium ion. Okay, H3O positive means it is either we call it hydronium ion or we call it as hydroxonium ion. So what is an acid? An acid is a substance which after dissolving in water gives H positive or H3O positive ion in the solution, would be called as the acidic substance. Okay, so if someone asks you what is the acid, what is an acid, so you would call an acid is substance which when dissolved in water gives H positive or H3O positive ion in the solution. Simple definition. So this is the Arrhenius concept. So according to Arrhenius, this is an acid. According to Arrhenius, what is an acid? An acid is a substance which dissolves in water and gives H positive ion or hydronium ion in the solution there. H positive hydrogen ion, H3O positive is hydronium ion or also called as the hydroxonium ion. Are you getting this? So this is the Arrhenius concept, this which you have to know. Are you getting this? Just note it down. Now would be discussing more ahead the remaining topics of this chapter in the upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.